this is Learn and Earn with Maha. Please like, share and subscribe. Hello guys, this is your own channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today I am discussing with you that if you haven't any skill, then how you can earn money online. This is Money Tree Cash Grow Game, and you can just see the video. And first one we can see that 8.132 US dollars are there, and money does grow on trees, and it is then next rain in, and it has 2,000 US dollars and 2.000 US dollars, and it has 2647 candies, and if you win the candies, then your candies turn into US dollars, and start with nothing. And after this, if you have this page, then and become a trillionaire, and you just have 2517 candies, and it has 68.259 US dollars. And after this, bonus wheel is there, and you can just click it and circle it, spin it, then you can win a lot of things and candies and coins and money. And after this, your candies 2312, and you can just win 97.312 US dollars, and power ups you can earn, and fire boots, and safety jacket. These are the items make a fruitful investment, and you can, if you want to invest, then you can invest, and if you can withdraw, then you can withdraw the money. And after playing this money tree, you can win the money. Who said you can't grow money? And you can grow money. This is grow your tree, and then your tree give you money and be rich. And then if you invest, then you can win the gifts. There are a lot of gifts, and you can see that there are a lot of things for you, and you can just withdraw your money, and you can win the equipments are there, and they all if you purchase, then you or you can invest, but if you don't invest, then